Hey everybody, it's Dean DaCosta of the Search Authority, and we are now looking at the new Microsoft browser. And let's see what we got here, since I'm not even sure what the name is on it anymore. It is called something Microsoft Edge. So this is the new Edge. This is the one that's Chrome based. So the first thing you got to understand is all these things up here, these are Chrome extensions. This is a Microsoft browser, but these are Chrome extensions. I even have access to the Chrome store and can put any extension on here. Now, a few things to keep in mind. Number one, and the extensions can come from anywhere, not just the store. But number one, unlike Chrome, which is worried about all these different things and sometimes doing some things you don't want, this browser doesn't. You can actually put Chrome things on you know are safe, but Chrome won't let you put them on, but you can still put them on here. And what's really cool, I mean, let's think about everything. You've got all your bookmarks. You can import them from anywhere, no big deal. You have your Chrome extensions of which you can do, just like any other browser. Here's more Chrome extensions. You got the new tab, the new window, private window. Here's something. You can open your private browsing, otherwise known as incognito mode. Pretty cool. So we got that just like there. We have our favorites list, bookmarks, history, downloads, apps. You can put on apps, extensions, apps. This is interesting. You can actually put apps on there. Remember how Chrome took away that whole app thing? Well, guess what? You still got it here. You can still do apps. So let's keep going. Other favorites. Let's go down. Bum, bum, bum. Print, find, read aloud, more tools, settings. Now, in the settings, here's the thing that's interesting. You get to take this with you. So I'm signed in and it is syncing, which is really pretty cool. Now here's the download side. I'm syncing favorites, settings, addresses, and passwords. History coming, collections coming, extensions coming over. Now collections is basically a way for you to share collections. The extensions, it's not syncing, so it's not like Chrome yet where you can take the extensions with you, but it is coming. Remember, this has only been out a couple of weeks. This hasn't been out very long. So that's something to keep in mind. You've got your privacy services. You got all that good stuff. Right now I'm on balanced. You got appearance. You can make it look like one don't. You got on startup. Join. In my case, I'm using my speed dial, which has got all these nice things that I've got set up and ready to rock with. You do have new pad pane, mine's speed dial. Site permissions, you can control your site, downloads, languages, printers, system reset, blah, 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 blah. And then the about. In my case, Microsoft Edge is up to date, so I don't need to update it, so I'm good to go. And remember, it says right here, the browser is made possible by Chromium open source project and other open source software. This is an open source Chromium base, which means you can do literally anything with it you could do with Chrome. But the interesting part is it appears to eat up less resources. And that's pretty cool. So let's go ahead. I'm going to blank out for a minute here, hopefully. And we're going to look at the resources because I have Chrome. So let's see. Right now, if we look at everything, boom, 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 everything's there good. That's Torch. I'm not worried about that. Let's go ahead and look at getting an idea what our network and everything uses. So let's start with let's see here. First thing we got to do is find the Microsoft Edge that I'm using right now, which is probably this one. So as you can see, not much. Let's go back, not to the forms, but go back here to the process because this is the best way to do it. Let's start with Microsoft Edge. Well, first of all, let's do Google Chrome. I'm sorry, I keep going back. This is all Google Chrome. And look at all this stuff. Boom, 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 boom. It's for extensions and all the other stuff you got. Now you can see it uses up a lot of resources. A lot. Let's go down to Edge. As you can see, Edge is doing similar. It's meeting each Chrome extension, everything like that. But as you can see, look at the percentage of it. I'm showing it 0.0000. Look at the memory, 2.5, boom, boom, boom. Now let's go back up to Chrome. And look, right there, it was using up a percentage for a minute. And you come up here, it's using a percentage. See, it's using it. Whereas the other one, look at this, 127.8 megabytes. It's using up more room than the Microsoft Edge is. You come down here, you got to look at this, 367, and you go down here. And let me help you out. Nothing's even close to 300. Let me help you out. Almost every, about not almost every, about 90% of the extensions I have on my Chrome, I have on the Microsoft Edge Chromium browser. So there's not much difference to where this much is being eaten up, but Chrome eats up more resources than the Microsoft Edge. Now, part of that's probably because Microsoft Edge, even though it's Chromium based, it is it's coming from Microsoft, hence Windows, so it might work better with Windows than Chrome does. But the reality is, it just eats up less resources, and you can do anything with it that you can do with Chrome. And just because I know people are like, well, do all the extensions really work right? Well, let's do a little test here and make sure. I'm going to go do a search. Yep, that's million short, wrong search. I'm going to do a Google search. And we're going to do a LinkedIn search just because I can and everything. And we're going to go with Java and we're going to put in a Gmail email address and push that. And boom. Ba, 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 ba. So Swordfish is working. Yay! I'm not signed into Zap Info is working. JobJet is working. Let's see what happens if we open up and we sign into my Seekout account real quick. Doesn't matter which one I sign into. Don't really care. Oh, I gotta say I'm not a robot. Let's get out of that one and sign in my other one. I'm not a robot. You can't see my password, so I don't worry about it. Let's go back here and let's see what happens. Oh, I have to reset the page because I did sign in. And let's see, will the Seek Out box work? Seek Out box works. So literally every extension I've shown here is working. Let's see, will data miner work here? Yep, there's data miner, so it's working. Will instant data scrape work here? It's working. It's all working. You're set. So it eats up less resources. It doesn't seem to have the same problems that Chrome's having right now, where Lord knows that every 5 seconds something's going on. And it works, and it works well. So I don't know what else to say about it. It's really good, really cool. It is the new Microsoft Edge, and everything. Yeah, that's it. So long story short, my name's Dean DaCosta, the Search Authority. This is the new Microsoft Edge Chromium. May the source be with you.